Did you know that small everyday habits, things we don't even notice, are slowly destroying your brain? From the way you breathe, to how you sleep, to the foods you eat, your brain is being shaped every second. But here's the good news. You can reverse most of the damage. Today, I'll show you 10 habits that harm your brain and 10 simple science-based habits that rebuild it stronger than ever. Let's get started. Lack of sleep kills brain cells. Your brain cleans itself at night, literally washing away toxins. When you sleep less than 6 hours, those toxins build up, increasing the risk of memory loss and anxiety. Sleep 7 to 9 hours and avoid screens 60 minutes before bed. Stress releases cortisol, which shrinks the memory center of your brain, the hippocampus. Forgetfulness, irritability, and overthinking are symptoms of constant stress. Deep breathing for 3 minutes lowers cortisol by 50%. Sugar reduces BDNF, the protein that helps you learn new skills. High sugar equals slow thinking. Replace sugar snacks with nuts, berries, and dark chocolate. You think you're productive, but your brain hates multitasking. It lowers IQ temporarily and reduces focus. Use the single task rule. Do just one thing for 20 minutes. Your brain needs fuel. Skipping breakfast equals low energy, low attention, and mood swings. Eat protein and healthy fats in the morning: eggs, nuts, yogurt. Even 1% dehydration reduces concentration. Your brain is 75% water. It needs hydration to transmit signals. Drink a glass of water every morning immediately after waking up. Long sitting reduces blood flow to the brain by 50%. Walk 5 minutes every hour. Negativity strengthens neural pathways linked to fear and reduces pathways linked to creativity. Practice gratitude. Write 3 good things daily. Loud music damages hearing, and weak hearing is linked to 5x higher dementia risk. Use the 60-60 rule, 60% volume, max 60 minutes. Loneliness shrinks the brain and increases depression and dementia. Talk to at least one person daily. Voice or video call is enough. Eat omega-3 foods like walnuts and salmon. Learn something new daily. Meditate 5 minutes. Do brain puzzles. Drink green tea. Spend time in sunlight. Exercise 20 minutes. Read for 10 minutes. Practice creativity, drawing, writing. Keep your environment clean and organized. These habits increase BDNF, improve memory, boost mood, and keep your brain young. Your brain is the most powerful organ you have, but it needs daily care. Start small. Change just one habit today. Your future self will thank you.